Runable 2.1 just got released and it's beating its competitors, Manus and Genspark, super easily. Let me show you. This is Runable, your AI assistant that can create websites, presentations, reports, podcasts, videos and images for you, saving you countless of hours of work every single day. In today's video we are going to see how you can use Runable to create amazing animated websites, such as the one you see on screen right now. We're also going to see how with Runable you can very fast create highly detailed presentations with nice visuals. Finally, we're going to create podcasts and generate videos using Runable with a single click of a button. So stay around to not miss out on this amazing AI assistant. We're going to begin with creating a website about Iron Man. We can give it image prompts along with a layout and a website prompt for how we want the design to be. Also, we can add information about effects and animations, but also the aesthetic of the design. Runable is then going to create a plan and start solving our task step by step. One of the most amazing things is its capability to create images and integrate them in its workflow. To not waste your time, I'm not gonna tell you all of the changes I did. There were quite a lot of little bit things that I adjusted to make sure that this AI assistant is also able not to only create an amazing website, but also edit the complex code base behind it. And this is the result I came up with. Tony Stark, and look at this beautiful effect of Iron Man over its face. I've added links for the social media as well as a project tab for projects, and this is one of the most insane websites I have ever seen AI create. Next up, I wanted to create a presentation about Messi, which I believe is the greatest footballer in the world. So I asked Runable to do it, and it went ahead and started searching about Messi, his achievements, and after all of that, he began searching for images. Finally, it created a beautiful presentation, super fast, without me having to do pretty much nothing. Look at this beautiful result Runable created for us. It's pretty amazing. It has all of the important information about Messi's career. And if you want to try out Runable, go ahead on the first link in the description and create an account. Runable has three main plans. The free plan allows you 2,500 credits monthly, and you can generate presentations, build applications. However, with the Pro plan for just $15 per month in the annual purchase, you're going to be getting a whole lot more. Finally, for big teams and serious builders, there is this unlimited plan for $100 per month, which is really insane. Now let's move on into creating a podcast. You can see how easy in just 20 seconds we can create a podcast for Charlie Kirk. Let's see the result.
Welcome to the program. I'm Sarah Mitchell. Today we're talking about a violent turning point in American public life.
Pretty amazing, right? And here we can see our result. We can see the exact transcript of the podcast, the visual tones. I also created a multi-scene video using Runable, which you can see right now on your screen. There is a big amount of AI models to use for your video generation tasks. For this multi-scene video generation, I used the state-of-the-art Veo 3.1 AI video generation tool. Finally, if you want to create documents with AI, you can use a huge list of templates as inspiration to create the exact report you want, which I find very powerful. Finally, for more business-style reports, there is also a huge amount of templates for you to use, and you can use Runable to populate these high-quality templates for your own company reports. In total, I would say Runable is an amazing AI assistant with a lot of capabilities and all of the state-of-the-art AI tools that you would ever need. Try Runable through the link down below in the description.